Do you know the difference between substr and substring methods in JavaScript? Both methods extract characters from a string, but there is a slight difference in the way it extracts characters. The substr method accepts two numbers, that is, the first number is the index from where we want to extract the string, and the second is the length or the number of characters you need to return. The substring method also accepts two numbers as the parameters, where the first number is the index that decides where to start, and the second number is also the index. That is, the substring method will return the characters starting from the specified index start and return characters till the specified index, that is end, not including the end. That is, the characters between the two specified indices are extracted in case of substring method, whereas we are specifying the length, that is how many characters are to be returned from the starting index in case of substr method. Now let us create an HTML page to see the difference. I am going to create a new file, HTML1. Let me change the title to substring methods. Let me add a div element to display the result and also a button on the click of which we will execute these two methods. Div id is equal to result, button id is equal to btn click. Next, let me add the script section. Script type is equal to text or JavaScript. Let me add window.onload equal to function. Next, let me add the function for the button click, that is document.getElementById btn click dot on click is equal to function. Let me create a string which will be used in the substr and substring methods, where my string is equal to John Smith, that is the name or the string. Next, let us use the substr as well as substring methods, where substr is equal to my string dot substr. We need to pass the starting index. Let me pass it as say 2, and in case of substr we need to pass the length. So I want to display the next 3 characters starting from the second index. So I am passing 2, 3, and again substring is equal to my string dot substring method. I am passing the same values so that we can see the difference, 2, 3. Now let me display these values inside the div. So to make it clear, let me here display the string is John Smith. Okay, then document.getElementById result dot inner HTML is equal to or plus equals, so that we can see the input string as well, equals. Let me show it on the next line, plus after substr, let the result be displayed, that is substr, plus let us show the other one on the next line, br plus after substring. What will be the output? That will be in substring variable. Okay, let me save the file. Save. I'm going to save it on my desktop. Substrings, save. It is here on the desktop. Right click, open with Google Chrome. See, now I'm seeing the string is John Smith. Now click Okay, there is some mistake. Let me change it. It is because I have not put the opening brace here, and let me also add it in bold. Okay, file, save. Let me refresh this one. Click. See, the substr we have specified 2, 3. So it starts from the second index. This is 0, this is 1, and this is 2. That is, h is 2, and starting from there it extracts 3 characters, that is h, then n, and the space. Again, in case of substring methods, we have specified to start from 2, and we have specified the second, that is the end, as 3, not including 3. That is why it is displaying as h only. Let us change the values and see. Let me make it 6. Again, this as well 6, and see the change. Refresh. Click. Here 2, 6, that is starting from h, it will display 6 characters, h, n, space, then smi. Total comes 6 characters. And the substring method returns starting from 2 until 6, that is not including 6, that is only until 5, 2, 3, space is 4, and s is 5. That is, in this case, substring method returns the characters between the specified indices, that is between 2 and 5, starting including 2 and excluding 6. That is how it is showing hn space s, whereas substr method returns starting from h, total 6 characters, that is hn space smi. Hope this makes the difference clear. Thank you.